Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and welcome back to our Windows Server 2022 Beginners video series on MSFT webcast. In this video, we will see the steps on how to restore deleted Active Directory user object using Recycle Bin in Windows Server 2022. From Windows Server 2008 R2, Microsoft introduced AD Recycle Bin feature. When you enable Recycle Bin in Active Directory, you can restore deleted objects without having to perform an authoritative restore. Objects that have been deleted can be recovered from the deleted objects container using Recycle Bin back to their original locations. Restoration can be done before the tombstone lifetime of the object expires. Let's understand the process. If the AD Recycle Bin is enabled, the deleted object is not physically deleted from the storage right away. Instead, the object becomes logically deleted, which means that the object attributes remain preserved throughout the period defined in the deleted object lifetime attribute. That period is 180 days by default. During that period, deleted Active Directory objects can be restored together with their all attributes. After the deleted object lifetime expires, the object becomes a recycled object, which is similar to the tombstone object when the Recycle Bin is disabled. The recycled object lifetime period, which is 180 days by default. You can still recover deleted objects, but their attributes are not saved. When the recycled object lifetime expires, the object is not recoverable. Enough theory, let's see the steps to restore the deleted Active Directory user object using a Recycle Bin. If you haven't enabled the Active Directory Recycle Bin, please check out the previous video on how to enable the Active Directory Recycle Bin feature in Windows Server 2022. Link to that video is given in description area. For this demo, we have single domain Active Directory forest named msftwebcast.com. This is our Windows Server 2022 domain controller. Log on to our Windows Server 2022 domain controller using a domain administrator account. Let me remind you that already Active Directory Recycle Bin feature is enabled in this Active Directory domain. Earlier, I created two users, Deepak Patel and Abdul Samad, in our domain. I have also deleted both users using the Active Directory Administrative Center console. We want to restore the user Deepak Patel using Active Directory Recycle Bin. From the Server Manager's tool menu, open Active Directory Administrative Center. Click on your domain name. In this example, our domain name is MSFT Webcast. The deleted objects are stored in deleted objects container. You can see them in this console or by using Windows PowerShell commands. Double-click the deleted objects container to open it. We can see the both users stored under this container as the AD Recycle Bin has stored the deleted objects here. Select the deleted AD object from the list you want to restore and click Restore. Let's restore the user object named Deepak Patel. Right-click the user object Deepak Patel. We can see two options, Restore and Restore To. When you select Restore, the object will be restored to its original container. However, if you select Restore To, you can select a different container to restore the deleted object. Click on Locate Parent to find the original container. Let's click on it. Earlier, this user was stored in HROU. Click on Deleted Objects. Right-click the user object Deepak Patel and select Restore. The user object disappeared from the deleted objects container. Click on HROU. Under HROU, we can see the user object Deepak Patel. That means we have successfully restored deleted Active Directory object using a Recycle Bin. We can also restore a deleted Active Directory object with PowerShell. Right-click the Start menu and select Windows PowerShell Admin. First, let's get the list of AD objects which we can restore. Type cmdelete get-AD object -include deleted objects -filter is deleted eq true. Press Enter key to execute this cmdelete. Here we can see the deleted AD user account Abdul Samad which we can restore. Let's restore the AD user object using the PowerShell cmdelete. Let me clear the screen first. Type cmdelete get-AD object -filter name -like Abdul -include deleted objects. Hit Enter key to execute this cmdelete. This cmdelete gives us only deleted user object Abdul Samad. So let's use the existing PowerShell cmdelete and let's add pipe restore AD object cmdelete. Let's hit Enter key to execute the cmdelete to restore our Active Directory user object named Abdul Samad. The cmdelete has been executed successfully. Let's go back to Active Directory Administrative Center. Click on HROU. Click on Refresh to see the updated Active Directory user accounts. We can confirm that now Abdul Samad is also stored under the HROU. We can also run PowerShell cmdelete to find all the user accounts which are stored under the OU. Let's go back to Windows PowerShell. Let me clear the screen. Let's type cmdelete get-AD user -filter *search base OU is equal to HR, DC is equal to MSFT webcast, DC is equal to com, pipe format list and name. Hit Enter key to execute this cmdelete. We can confirm that both users have been restored successfully, Deepak Patel and Abdul Samad. That's all for the video on how to restore deleted Active Directory objects using the Recycle Bin feature on Windows Server 2022. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding this video, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.